you know it's time. It's time, and we're bringing smoke. Okay, donc des zawana, it's that time. Donc both of our popcorn, both of my sanga, pour me la money, cheers bitches, donc on me la. Donc mo comprendre on va no sit. Donc mo comprendre. Donc welcome to Chyna's Chit Chat. This one I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this mermaid looking like a snack look. You moko yebi na benzi ango. Donc ready, quarantine ready. So kama kambe ceiling ba mo tonto bima. Mo tonto bimi sabiso, look oyo me la bango yango na pona ebi kende to zana na ba boîte ba fonga ngo 24 hours donc ndeto za beto sala ta demo to kenda ba boîte faut ba fonga ngo 24 hours tout comme to changer ba bilamba to changer wo kasho. Donc maquillage oil is really good for na look nyo so to oil kolinga. You're going on a little day with your little, you know, something. Donc this is the look. I'm slaying bitches, period. So stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. Merci.
By Dim's Rhythm, beatmaker of Reunion Island, baby.
Mon bébé, elle est où mon bébé, baiser.
You gotta put a lot, you know? You need a lot. The more you put, the better, you know, the more it stays. You don't want it to be okay fatty boy. We'll be in your toki, surtout ba middle, but when you go be in an look like so. Take it away.
By Dim's Rhythm, beatmaker of Reunion Island, baby.
Genre ma fille, genre... So the hair is done. I'm just gonna wrap it. Add a little bit of more of the got to be na biniso balance na yo ematisaka mafuta Now I need my head wrap. I can find where it is. Be right back. Bitch, I'm icy, bitch. So then you wrap it. Thank you so much. We have come to our end of our episode. Lelo tolobaki kaka eza makambu ya Suki totali ndenge nini Chyna a slay Suki na ye. We've watched how Chyna has transformed this beautiful wig. If you want to know where I got this wig, you need to hit me up because obviously soon eza makambu fit here. I'm going to obviously open my own website so I can't really reveal my vendors yet, so we will get to it because so mais sokyo et touché au makasi dites amen sokyo e beti au makasi ya combien na inbox to go solo lango sokyo to lingi na tekelo alors nga buka na kate so lingi na buka na te so lingi na tekelo ka now na tekelo da to solo lango bo inbox nga na chana 1000 beauté boyebi déjà donc merci ba bisous na nga ya trop ba bisous na nga ya trop ya ma meilleure copine Nana Naosh ba bisous ebele moi ça mwindu ya mi José Ngolo na l'enfant Valencia maman na Junior na Gauthier na ba bisous ya trop yo moko yebi sponsor numéro 1 Richie Red na l'enfant cameraman na nga de la bino makasi bakru na nga ba motema na nga nyonso ya nga Joe mon cœur mon bébé Jojo dans les langues fort papa la ngai ba cameraman na nga surtout ba bébé na nga la bino makasi Fanterious divine ma copine dans les langues trop ba on a zangi lo ftanga diva na boka bino so futa na te na boka bino te bisous bye